How to give access to LinkedIn company page. So first you want to open up your browser and head to your LinkedIn account and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you want to click on the profile logo on the left side right here, and then under manage you should see your company page if you have one already. If you don't, you will need to create one, and then you will need to click on it like this. Now if you scroll to the bottom at the left side, you should see the settings at the bottom. Click on it. Now you want to click on manage admins, and from here you can basically add admins. So this list should contain all the people that are in charge of your page, such as admins or super admins or analysts or content admins. You'll simply need to search the member by its name. For example, like this. Select the member you want to invite and then select its role. So for example, analyst. Click on save, and this should add the member to your company page on LinkedIn. Now the other person should receive a notification, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.